Hello everyone, my name is Avuva, and in this video I will be showing you how to use AppImages on GNU+Linux. So, get your app image. In this case I will be using LibreWolf as an example. So, I already downloaded the app image, but you just get your app image. Now, I will go here into the downloads directory in the Dolphin file manager. You don't necessarily have to use those programs that I'm using right now. But you can see here the app image has been downloaded. Now what you want to do is give the app image the permission to be executable. So in this case I will be using the Dolphin file manager to give it the permission like so. But you can use the terminal, you can also use other file managers, it doesn't really matter. As long as you give it the app image file, as long as you give it the permission to be executable, it doesn't really matter what program you use to do so. So now the app image is an executable. So this is already good enough to use the program. You can already use it. You can see if I click it. Execute. Okay, now you can see that the file it is already working. It is an app image. It is a program. As you can see, it works. So this is already enough. This is already good enough. You can use it as is. However, I do not like the fact that it's in the download directory. You could just take it out from here and maybe create some new folder here, maybe my programs. However, the disadvantage of doing this is the fact that now it's only available for this single user. But if you want the program to be available for all of the users in the system, then what I'm gonna do next is what you should do. But you don't necessarily have to do this part. It already works as I demonstrated to you. It already works. But I'm going to put it into a better place. So it's done like so. Go to the directory where the app image is located in. In my case, it's in my home directory's downloads directory, as you can see. And then write sudo mkdir /opt/ and now you write the name of the program that you are using. Not necessarily the file name of the app image, but just the program in general, like LibreWolf. Now, you might like to specify that it's an app image, like AppImage and then LibreWolf. You can essentially write whatever you want here. It doesn't really matter what you write here. This is your own custom name for the program, basically. You just write whatever nonsense you want here. But I'm just gonna write AppImage LibreWolf. Actually, let me write the I as a capital letter so it looks nice. Like so. And then what you do is write sudo cp and now the file path to the app image. So I'll be using this right now and then now you go to the directory you just created, AppImage LibreWolf, and then you are going to write the name of the program. What is the name of this program going to be? Well, let's just say it's LibreWolf.AppImage, like so, and then just hit enter. Now the sudo will most likely ask you for your password. Well, you just give it a password. Just give it your password and that's it. Now, so you might also want to remove the LibreWolf from the current directory you are in this case the downloads. So as you can see now it's no longer here. So that's it. That's all you need to do. You just copy this program from your downloads directory or wherever you have the app image in. You just copy it from there into the opt directory. Now I will go to the opt to demonstrate to you that it is there. So see this as opt and now do ls. As you can see, here is the AppImage LibreWolf directory that I created. Let's cd into it. AppImage. And then I'm going to dash again. And there you can see my LibreWolf.AppImage program. Now, this is where you then run the program, LibreWolf.AppImage. And now, let's just wait for it to launch. And as you can see, it works. Here it is. The LibreWolf works. Every user in the system can now use the LibreWolf program or whatever you have as an app image. It doesn't need to be LibreWolf, obviously. I'm just using LibreWolf as an example. This is how you use app images. Right. You also might want to create some sort of a shortcut or a launcher in the desktop. You might like to do something like that, perhaps. But that's not necessary. But do notice the fact that the system does not find the program. It is an unfortunate thing that most desktop environments, they do not search the opt directory. They do not search the opt directory when you put something there. So you can see it's not found here. Nowhere to be seen. But in many desktop environments there is an option to create like some sort of a launcher or link to application. Let's see if this works. Application command. So here let's see if it's opt slash, now I have to remember what the name is. AppImage. There's LibreWolf, I think, and then LibreWolf.AppImage. I think that's the name. I'm just gonna copy this entire thing. Okay. And I think this should be it. LibreWolf. I think this should work. You just make sure that this path is the correct one. Most desktop environments should have something similar to this. Now let's see if it works. It seems to work. It is doing something. And there you go. It's working. LibreWolf is now working. You can launch it from the desktop, just like so. You just have to put the path, the entire path, as you can see here, /opt/AppImage LibreWolf /LibreWolf.AppImage. Like so. And now it is not still here, as you can see, it is still not here. You could potentially do something like, let's see if I am able to pin it to the taskbar. Let's see. It is not possible to pin it to the taskbar. But in any case, you can see that it's working now. LibreWolf has been installed. And I did not use any third-party programs to install LibreWolf. I just put it in the directory. That's it. You know, no other software is required to install app images. It is as easy as this. Good. Thanks. Oh, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe. Until next video, bye.